Good morning and Sairam to all. Welcome back to your maths online classes. Children, in previous video we did many questions related chapter number 14, birds come, birds go. As I told you, this is the chapter based on addition and subtraction. So, I told you with the help of our fingers or with the help of our finger parts we can add and subtract, isn't it? Okay, now today we'll continue with the same chapter, chapter number 14, birds come, birds go. This is your book, maths book page, page number 117. So, you will open page number 117. Here on page 117, question is given. Neha is 29 years old. Her mother is 58 years old. How many years older is Neha's mother? So, how you will find how many years old is Neha's mother? With the help of subtraction. Okay, so these numbers, first this 29 and this 58 will write in these boxes. Okay, so which number will write first? 29 will write first or 58 will write first? Yes, we'll write first 58 because 58 is bigger than 29. So bigger number in subtraction, bigger number will write first and smaller number will write next. Okay, so first we'll write 58. 5 will write in the place of tens and 8 will write in the place of ones. Same 29, 2 will write in the place of tens and 9 will write in the place of ones. Okay, now we'll subtract and here we'll put the sign of subtraction in this box. Okay, now first we'll subtract ones place and then we'll subtract tens place. So in ones place what number is given? 8 and 9. We'll subtract 9 from 8. Can we subtract? Yes or no? No. Why? Because 8 is smaller than 9. So what should we do? We can borrow one number from its neighbor. Who is 8's neighbor? Is 5. So 5 will give one number to 8. Isn't it? 5 will give one number to 8. So 8 become 18 and 5 become 4. Because 5 has given one number to 8. So 8 become 18 and 5 becomes 4. Okay. Now we can subtract 9 from 18. Okay. So after 9 or from 9 onwards, we have to count how many more? We have to count up to 18. Okay. So start counting. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. Now, how many finger parts you have counted? Yes, how many? 9 finger parts. So what we'll write here? We'll write 9. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Now we'll subtract tens place. What number is given in tens place? It is 4 and 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So here we'll write 29. Okay? Okay. And here also, so what is our answer? 29. So mother is 29 years older than Neha. Here also we'll write 29. Okay. Here we'll write 58. Here we'll write 29. Here we'll put the sign of subtraction and then we'll write 29. And here also we'll write 29. Mother is 29 years older than Neha. Okay? Okay, now let's move on. Next questions. These are some sums of addition and subtraction. Okay? So according to the sign, we'll solve these sums. First, what sign is given? Sign of addition. So we'll add this. Okay? So 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. So which one is first we'll add ones place and then we'll add tens place. So first we'll add 4 and 7. So which number is bigger? 7 is bigger. So 7 will keep in our mind, and from 7 onwards we have to count how many more? 4 more. Okay, so start counting after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we'll write here? We'll write here 11, 1, and 1 will go up for carry. 1 will go carry over. Okay. Now we'll add these two. First we'll add this carry and this 2. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. And 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So our answer is 41. Okay. Now the next is also addition. This one is also addition. So first we'll add ones place and then we'll add tens place. So what number is given in the place of ones? 4 and 3. So which number is bigger? 4 is bigger. So after 4 or from 4 onward, we have to count 3 more. So start counting after 4. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Now we'll write here 7. And then we'll add 5 and 4, tens place. So we'll keep 5 in our mind because 5 is bigger number, and from 5 onward we have to count how many more? 4 more. So start counting after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we'll write here? 9. 97. Our answer is 97. Now the next is, this is the sum of subtraction because what sign is given here? Minus. Okay. So we'll subtract these. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. So we'll subtract 5 from 9. So after 5, we'll start counting and we'll stop which number? 9. So start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many finger parts you have counted? 4. है ना? So we'll write here 4. So 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Now 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to, yes, 1. So here we'll write 1. So 39 minus 25 is equal to 14. Okay. Now these all sums you will do yourself. This is your homework. Okay. These all you will do yourself. Sums are very easy. Okay. Now let's move on. Next page. This is our next page. Page number 118. What question is given on this page? Catch the right bus. What we'll do in this question? In this question, we also do addition and subtraction. But here, what you will do? Solve to get the bus number on each card. Here some cards are given like this one. So many cards are given, and on these cards some addition and subtraction are given. So with the help of addition and subtraction, you will find out the bus number, isn't it? Match the card with the bus number and see who will sit in which bus. First you will add or subtract and then you will match. Okay, so first one is already done for you. See, here first one is 27 plus 22. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So what is the addition of 22 and 27 plus 22 is equal to 49. So after addition, we'll match this card with this bus. Same, you will match these cards also. Okay, so first we'll add or subtract these and then we'll match. So first one is, next is this one will do. We'll do this one. What number is given here? 48 and 19. We'll add 48 and 19. So first we'll add ones place and then we'll add tens place. So what number is given in the place of ones? 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9 is equal to, yes, after 8 or after 9, 9 is bigger number, so after 9 we'll start counting and we'll count up to how many number more? 8 more. Okay, so start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is our addition? It is 17. So we'll write here 7 and 1 will go up. Carry over. Now we'll add this carry and this 4 first. Okay, so 4 plus 1. If we'll add 1 with any number, so next number will come, isn't it? You know na? So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So the addition of this number is 67. Okay, so where is the bus number 67? It is here. So after add or after subtract, you will match this with the bus also. So this is 67. So where is bus number 67? Here. So we'll match it with like this. Okay. Now the second card is, next card is, this one will do. Card number. What number is given on the card? 88 minus 21. Okay. So first we will subtract ones place and then we'll subtract tens place. So 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Again, this is the bus number 67. So again we'll match this card with bus number 67. Okay. Now we'll do this one. Next card. The next card is, what number is given? 47 plus 28. So 7 plus 8 is equal to, 7 plus 8 is equal to, after 8 we'll count how many more? 7 more. So start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 will write here and 1 will go carry over. Okay, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 2 is equal to 75. So this card is matched with which bus? This card will match with bus number 75. So we'll match like this. Rest of the cards, addition and subtraction, you will do yourself and then match these cards with the bus. Okay, you will solve these sums and then what you will do? Match these cards with the bus number. Okay, now Let's move on next page. Page number 119. This is page number 119. Here, now you write your own numbers, make 2 different cards for each bus. Here answers are given. You will write your own numbers. So how you will write your own numbers? Like first one is 49. So for 49, which number you can write? It is your choice. You can write any number, but the addition or the subtraction of these numbers match with the answer. Like for 49, we can write here number 50, 9 and 10. Isn't it? If we'll subtract these two numbers, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9 and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So like this we can write. Okay. Now in second number, what is given? 75. So what two numbers we can write to make 75? We can write any two number. Okay. Like I'm writing, first one is 63 and second one is 12. Isn't it? If we'll add these two numbers, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay. So like this you will write your own numbers in these cards. Okay. This is your homework. Let's move on. Next page. What is our next page? Here, Chakachak Toli. Chakachak means cleaning Toli. Chakachak means cleaning Toli. So what they are doing? Chakachak in Hindi means clean and shining. Chakachak Toli is the name of group of children who work to clean their park. So, here on page number 122, question is given. Shreya collects the money and writes in her diary. Help Shreya to find how much money is left at the end of the month. Okay. So, what payment is given in the diary? In October, she has collected rupees 60. And in October, she bought a broom for rupees 18. Okay. In October 12, she bought a phenyl bottle for rupees 25. And in October 25, collected rupees 27 from the cards we made. Okay. So, these two, rupees 60 and rupees 27, she has collected. Okay. Rupees 60 and rupees 27 she has collected. So what we'll do? First we'll add these collected money. So 60 plus 27 is equal to, yes, 0 plus 7 is equal to 7 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So the total collected money is equal to 87, isn't it? The total collected money by Shreya is equal to 87. So this 87 will write here. This is collected money. Total money collected. Okay. Now the second is money spent. Total money spent. So what will write here? Here we'll write 87. This is total collected money. Now we'll write spent money. So these rupees 18 and rupees 25 is spent money. So how we'll write these money? First we'll add both of these. Okay. So rupees 18 and rupees 25. What is the addition of these? 8 plus 5 is equal to, after 8 we'll count how many more? 5 more. So start counting. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we'll write here 3 and 1 will go carry over. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So total spent money is equal to 43. So we'll write here 43. Okay. Now, what is the next question? Money left at the end of October. Money left at the end of October. So how you will find that how much money will left? How you will find? You will subtract. Okay. So which number you will subtract? You will subtract this collected money and you will subtract spent money from collected money, isn't it? So first we'll add this ones place, 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So money left at the end of October is equal to 44. How much money is left? Rupees 44. Isn't it? Okay. Now, let's move on. Page number 123. On this page, what is given? Children of Chakachak Toli counted the number of trees in the park. What they did? They have counted the number of trees in the park. This tree, what is the number of this first tree? It is 90. Okay. What is the number of this tree? The number of this tree is 75. And then the next tree, the number of this tree is 82. And the number of this tree is 68. And the number of this last tree is equal to 94. Okay. Now, some questions are given related to these trees. What is the first question? These trees were more than these trees. Okay. These trees were more than these trees. Okay. So you will tell how many more. How many more? So how you will find? First you will see what is the number of this tree and what is the number of next tree. So the number of first tree is 90, isn't it? And the number of this tree is 80. Yes, 82. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 90 minus 82. Then we can find a yes. So we'll subtract 2 from 0. Can we subtract 2 from 0? Yes or no? No. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 2. Or we cannot subtract smaller number from bigger number from smaller number. So what should we do? We will borrow one number from 9. 9 will give one number to 0. 0 become 10 and 9 become 8. Isn't it? Now we can subtract 10 minus 2. Isn't it? So, after 2, we'll count up to 10. So, start counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 8, 9, 10. How many finger parts you have counted? 8. So what is our answer? Here we'll write 8. And 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 8. So what we'll write here? How many more trees are there? There are 8 more trees. So here we'll write 8. Okay. Now the next question is, draw the tree which is least in number. Least means less. So which tree is least in number? See, first is 90, second is 75, third one is 82, fourth one is 68, and last one is 94. Which is less in number? Yes, this one is less in number, na? So you will draw this tree here. Okay. Now the next question is, draw the tree which is most in number. More. Draw the tree which is most in number. Most means more. Okay. So which one is more? Yes. Which one is more? This one is more. 94 is bigger number. So you will draw this tree here. Okay. Draw these two trees and you will color also. Okay. Now the last one is, children planted some more trees to make 100. Children planted some more these type of trees to make 100. Okay. So how many more did they planted? How you will find? Yes, you will subtract. You will subtract what? You will subtract this number from 100. Okay. So here we'll write 100 and then we'll subtract which number? This number. What number is this? 75. So how we'll subtract? 0 minus 5. Can we subtract 5 from 0? Is it possible? No. So we'll borrow one number from 10. So this 10 will give one number to this one. This become 10. Now this 10 will give one number to this. This becomes 10 and this becomes 9. Okay. Now 10 minus 5. After 5, we'll count up to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many finger parts you have counted? 5. So we'll write here 5. Now 9 minus 7. After 7, we'll count up to 9. Start counting. After 7, 8, 9. How many finger parts we have counted? 2. So we'll write here 2. So what is our answer? 25. So how many more did they plant? They plant how many? 25. Our answer is 25. Okay, here you will write 8 and here you will write 25. Okay. So here we have finished our book chapter. Do your work very neatly. Okay. Thank you and Sai Ram.